Hi guys, this is Navdeep from Delhi Immigration Services. Today we have a 34-year-old Indian national with us who got the Canada study visa after two refusals for University of Windsor. And we'll just talk to him and see how his profile is overall and how he's become a successful candidate. Hi sir, many congratulations to you first of all for the approval.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. I just want to say thanks to you and as well as your team. They made my day, and as well as after a long, long struggle, we got the approval. This is
Right.
because of you and your team.
Thanks. You deserved it anyway. So thanks to God that it happened. Can you take us through your academic background, sir, and your experience? You have long breadth of experience as well. So can you just shed some light on that, sir?
Yes, sir, definitely. I'm an electrical and electronics engineering graduate, passed out in 2011. After passing out this bachelor's degree, I just got placement in my college itself, which is an electrical core company. I was working as a graduate engineering trainee. So I just worked 1 year there, and I just got another job, which is same as my what I did in bachelor's. So it was an upgrade of as an electrical engineer. It's a full-fledged electrical engineer. The role of the job is like maintenance of all electrical and electronic and equipment and as well as automation. So from 2011 till 2021 June, I worked as an electrical engineer. And while studying of academics, I have no backlogs in my engineering. I had around 78.9 percentage. So I was just trying for Canada from 2011 that I just want to pursue my master's. But unfortunately, like financial stance, I couldn't make it up. But the universe took me to this place that one day, fine day, when you work hard, you'll reach your place. So this quote really suits for me. So I was just trying ahead. So I finally came to this part. At least I've crossed the 50 percentage of my dream.
Right. Right. And for which program specifically you applied to this university, sir? And who recommended you this university? Was it your personal choice, or has somebody suggested? Like, how was the case?
Basically, I had research of outline that I wanted to take masters and particularly in my same field because I was like little bit of technically strong in my core field. So if I graduate in masters, so I'll be like uplifting in my career prospects. That was I'm very particularly very particular about choosing the course, and as well
Right.
as like choosing college is like I was just researching about which college would be better, and then I finally chose University of Windsor.
Okay, and for which program specifically you applied, sir? Can you mention the name as well?
I just applied for this master's in electrical and computer engineering.
Okay. And so initially you applied, unfortunately got refused. Can you suggest like how you prepared for the first application? Has somebody helped you to do that, or how was the case?
Uh, the previous application, I just don't want to mention the consultant name. So the SOP which I wrote on my own, it states that like how my future prospects will help after studying my this course. But the consultant states that there is no need of SOP, and they just wrote a covering letter and then they filed the visa. But without asking my permission, they just filed the visa, and then unfortunately it was a refusal. And then I took a stand that I previously contacted you and I was explaining my everything in a detail with the teleconversation, like more than 1 hour we spoke. And then you are damn sure about that. You will get your visa. You told you gave me the full positive and the optimistic word, which made me okay. Let us give it a try and see. So I just gave every documents and all the stuff which is regarded to me. Then you took ahead and finally we got the visa.
Right. So, and how did you exactly find us? Has somebody recommended you, or did you find it online? Like, how was that?
Actually, one of my friend from Chandigarh, he just suggested you. He's right now in British Columbia. He's also some got two refusals, and then he just came back to you, and then he suggested me Delhi Immigration Services, and then before contacting you, I just surfed in YouTube, and as well as like I just talking about the reviews, and then I contacted you.
Right. And when we applied for the second time, unfortunately, it was turned down, as we understand. However, we were 100% confident that it should have been approved. Then, almost the same application, we then, in the third attempt, challenged the decision of the officer on the genesis that the decision was highly unreasonable given the explanations and given all the submissions. So, in light of that, we applied in the third attempt. And how much time it took for you to get the approvals in the third attempt?
We just applied on October 7th, and we got the first correspondence on November 15th, and November 16th was the approval.
Okay, about 40 days time. So,
Yes.
uh, what were you doing when you saw the updates? What exactly was that reaction?
Actually, on November 15th, the first correspondence letter came, but I didn't get any notification. So regularly, I used to check my GCK in the night around 10 to 10:30. So we were just out of town with my family, around 500 to 600 kilometers away from my land. So around November 16th, around 9:30 and 9:45, I just got a notification that there is a status change in your profile. Okay, there was no network. It was a single stick in my mobile. So I was just running here and there and just got some network. And then I was opening my. Suddenly I saw, oh, it was like original passport. I was just like I was seeing again and again, it's my GCK or not. And I immediately messaged you. And then I told my father and mother, tears down. Then we were like cherishing that moment in the temple.
Great, great. And many congratulations to you, to your family, everyone who supported you. And it was, I understand it was a difficult journey. Also, tell us more about your experience. You worked at the ship, and then eventually you decided not to go on the ship for this process. How was that decision?
Uh, Basically, after completing my graduation, that as I told that I want to do my masters. So going for this ship that as an electrical engineer, so basically to earn money to reach my goal. So around 9.5 years, I was being in the ship that gaining more like advanced technologies of electronics, automation, and as well as like robotics deal with softwares are there in this field. So I just earned many new stuffs and new knowledge and experience of persons and how to like. I just grabbed all the knowledges from the expertise. So still, I think that okay, I was just missing somewhat in my career. So to have a higher grade or higher position in that field, if we have a master's, then I think I will reach some a very good position in this career and as well as in the land also. So I didn't quit the job. I just got the sabbatical letter, and my company was really supporting me. That okay, if you want to do masters, please go ahead, take your time, do your procedures, and what are the things you have to do, just do it. And then they gave me a time at least around 1 year or 1.5 year. They gave me time. They told me that if you're not like completing your task, just come back to our company itself. So I was just trying, and then one day we made it, and then I told them, uh, okay. They told that okay, if you are like completing your masters, we have another branch also. You can come and join in that place. I just don't want to mention that place. So it really helped me that company also supported me in a way that to take ahead in my career path.
Right, right. That's great. And now you have seen, a couple of applications, first two and third, or I would say first or the rest two. And what do you think we have done differently to convince the officer, which was not done in the first place? And what piece of advice from your learnings would you like to give to other students, maybe who are preparing to submit their applications, maybe on their own? So, what factors they can keep in mind to give the best shot?
First thing is we have to do our research first. Second thing, we have to reach the best person and the expertise like you. Then everything will go ahead, because these two things we have to do it on our own. Then only we will get a clear idea, and then the things will fall in place, like writing SOPs and everything, like applications and stuff. The first thing is like we have to find the right person and the right expertise like you. Then everything will be fine. And the change, as you asked, that what changes we have done from first applicant to the second application is, the first application, there is no SOP. It's just a covering letter, just a one page. We have just designed a complete thing. You have asked all the documents of mine, and you have stated according to like some laws of things. I really don't know what is that, but the SOP, when I saw, I was really shocked. Oh, I, I don't know like how a person can write like this. That's what you are the expert on this. So we just changed the SOP completely, and then some additional documents we just kept, and we just applied for the second application. But unfortunately, like it's a bad luck for me. And then the third time is like we didn't change anything, just added some few more lines in the third application, and we challenged. But you gave me the hope. You gave me the hope. Let's give up a try and just see. Definitely you'll get it. I was like little hearted that okay, like 50-50 only, but you gave me 100% of like definitely we'll get it, man. Then we just applied, and then we just got it, sir.
Right. So many congratulations once again that you've got it, and you're very happy, and the way you supported us was great. And I wish you great luck further in your life in Canada, and you'll be traveling soon. So many congratulations, and thank you very much for supporting us, sir. And loved working with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for all the help and the patience which you had, and you're dealing me is like unimaginable. And the person who picks the call initially, I don't know her name, she also supported. uh, like I don't know how to express that you and your team a hearty thanks, and I don't know how to say with a single word to like within a thanks to complete this process. So I think that it will extend beyond that also. So I just wanna say, as far as now, thanks a lot. Thanks for everything which you have done for me.
Yeah, I mean, we just did what we knew, but I think you deserved it. You did the right thing by going for that program, and thanks to God that it happened eventually, and thanks to your parents who always prayed for you and supported you. So, many congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Take care. Take care. Thank you for taking time. Take care. So, bye bye.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bye bye.